Have you ever considered how precise the measurements in our universe are? Let's take a moment to ponder this question. As we delve into the cosmic realm, we encounter a staggering precision that leaves us in awe. From the intricate dance of galaxies to the delicate balance of forces that hold atoms together, the universe operates with a precision that is nothing short of astonishing. Consider the fine-tuning of the universe. This term, fine-tuning, suggests the idea that certain aspects of the universe are adjusted with such precision that they enable the existence of life as we know it. It's as if someone has meticulously twiddled the dials of the universe to set the perfect conditions for life. Take gravity, for instance. If the strength of gravity were even slightly stronger or weaker than it is, the universe would look vastly different. A stronger gravitational force would crush stars into black holes, while a weaker force would prevent stars from forming at all. In either scenario, life, at least as we understand it, could not exist. Or ponder the precise balance between the electromagnetic and strong nuclear forces. This balance allows atoms to exist and to bind together to form molecules, the building blocks of life. If this balance were off by even a tiny fraction, atoms could not form, and thus there would be no molecules, no chemistry, and no life. Some may argue that such precision is a mere coincidence, a result of random processes. However, the odds against such a perfect alignment of cosmic forces are so astronomical that attributing it to chance seems, well, less than scientific. This extraordinary precision, undeniably, points towards intelligent design. It suggests the work of a cosmic architect, a grand designer who has fine-tuned the universe with the meticulous care of a master watchmaker. This is not an assertion made lightly, but one that emerges from the very heart of science itself. As we dive deeper into this topic, we'll explore the compelling arguments that support this view and address the counter-arguments that attempt to challenge it. But for now, let us marvel at the precision of our universe, a precision that whispers of a grand design. Intelligent design, a term that sparks curiosity and debate. What exactly is it? At its core, intelligent design is a perspective that proposes an intelligent cause as the best explanation for certain complex features of the universe. It's not about identifying who the designer is, but rather it's about detecting the signs of design in nature. Let's think of it in terms of a puzzle. When you start putting together a puzzle, you don't randomly throw pieces onto the table, hoping they'll magically form a coherent picture. Instead, you strategically place each piece guided by the understanding of the final image. Similarly, intelligent design suggests that the universe isn't a result of random, unguided processes, but a well-thought-out design, where every piece, every element, every law of physics is meticulously placed to create the universe as we know it. This perspective is rooted in the observation of intricate patterns in nature, patterns that seem too complex and too precise to have arisen by chance. For instance, the fundamental physical constants, the speed of light, the gravitational constant, the strength of the weak and strong nuclear forces. These are so finely tuned that even minor variations could render the universe uninhabitable. But it's not just about the grand scale of the cosmos. Even at the microscopic level, we see signs of intelligent design. Consider the intricacies of a single cell, with its elaborate molecular machinery carrying out complex processes with remarkable precision. It's hard to fathom that such a system could have arisen merely by chance. Intelligent design doesn't reject the principles of science. In fact, it embraces them. It acknowledges the laws of physics, understands the principles of biology, and respects the power of mathematics. What it proposes is that these laws, these principles, these mathematical models, they all point towards a purposeful arrangement of parts, a design, an intelligence behind the universe. Intelligent design asserts that the universe's complexity indicates a purposeful arrangement of parts. It's not about proving the existence of a designer, but about acknowledging the signs of design in the universe around us. It's about contemplating the precision, the complexity, and the beauty of the universe, and considering the possibility of an intelligent cause behind it all. There exists a plethora of scientists who advocate for intelligent design. This is not a fringe movement, but a significant perspective, held by many well-respected figures in the scientific community. Let's start with Dr. Michael B., a biochemist at Lehigh University. Known for his work on the intricacies of cellular systems, B argues that the complexity of biological structures could not have arisen through random mutation and natural selection alone. His work has sparked robust debates and has pushed the boundaries of our understanding of life's origins. Then there's Dr. William Dembski, a mathematician and philosopher. He's known for his work on specified complexity, a concept that argues certain complex patterns in nature are best explained by an intelligent cause rather than chance or necessity. His work has added a mathematical dimension to the discussion of intelligent design, further enriching the dialogue. Let's not forget Dr. Stephen Meyer, a philosopher of science. Meyer's work focuses on the origins of life and the universe itself. He argues that the information contained within DNA points to a designing intelligence, illuminating a new aspect of the intelligent design debate, information theory. And of course there's Dr. Guillermo Gonzalez, an astrophysicist and proponent of the rare Earth hypothesis. He posits that the precise conditions necessary for life as we know it are not merely a cosmic coincidence, but indicative of a purposeful design. These are only a few of the many scientists who, through their rigorous research and bold thinking, have come to see the universe not as a product of random, unguided processes, but as a system marked by design. Their backgrounds are diverse, their research fields varied, yet they all reach a similar conclusion. The complexity and precision observed in the universe indicate a designer. These scientists, with their profound understanding of the universe, advocate for intelligent design. Their arguments, grounded in empirical evidence and rigorous analysis, provide a compelling case for considering intelligent design as a valid interpretation of our world's complexity. They challenge us to look beyond the surface, to question and to explore the deeper implications of the precision we witness in the universe. The arguments against intelligent design, are they strong enough to be considered? Let's delve into some of these counter-arguments and assess their validity. First, we come across the argument of randomness. Some scientists propose that the universe's precision is due to a random sequence of events. However, this notion strains credibility. The universe's intricacy and precision, from the rotation of galaxies to the delicate balance of forces within an atom, can't be chalked up to mere randomness. It's like suggesting that a tornado sweeping through a junkyard could assemble a fully functional Boeing 747. The odds are astronomically against it. Then we have the argument of self-organization. This theory suggests that the universe, through its inherent laws, has the ability to self-organize into the complexity we observe. However, this argument doesn't answer the fundamental question: where did these laws come from? Who or what determined the precise values of these laws that allow for such self-organization in the first place? The argument merely pushes the question one step back without providing a satisfactory answer. Another common argument is evolution by natural selection. While this theory explains the diversity and complexity of life on Earth, it fails to explain the initial conditions needed for life to begin. The universe's precision is required for life to exist, let alone evolve. Evolution by natural selection can't explain why the universe is so finely tuned to allow for life. Lastly, we have the multiverse theory. This proposes an infinite number of universes, each with different physical laws. In this sea of universes, there's bound to be one like ours, perfectly tuned for life. However, this theory is purely speculative. There's no empirical evidence to support the existence of other universes. It's a hypothesis born out of desperation, a last-ditch attempt to explain away the universe's precision without invoking intelligent design. In summary, the arguments against intelligent design lack substance. They either fail to explain the origin of the universe's precision, resort to improbable randomness, or rely on unproven speculative theories. None of these arguments provide a satisfactory explanation for the universe's intricate design. Intelligent design, on the other hand, offers a compelling explanation. It posits that the universe's precision is not a product of chance, but of purposeful design. This view is not only scientifically plausible, but also philosophically satisfying. It provides a comprehensive answer to the question of why the universe is the way it is. So, we return to our original question. Are the arguments against intelligent design strong enough to be considered? The answer, in light of the evidence, is a resounding no. The opposition, despite their claims, falls short in explaining the universe's intricate design. The precision in our universe isn't just for show, it is a matter of life and death. This isn't an overstatement. The universe in its grandeur operates with a level of precision that is truly staggering. This precision, however, isn't just a spectacle. It is fundamentally crucial for life as we know it. Take, for instance, the force of gravity. This invisible pull that keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground, the same force that keeps the Earth in its orbit around the Sun, is fine-tuned to an incredible degree. If gravity were even slightly stronger, stars would burn out too quickly, not allowing for the development of complex life. If it were even a tad weaker, stars wouldn't produce heavier elements which are the building blocks of life. Then there's the expansion rate of the universe. After the Big Bang, the universe began to expand. Had it expanded just a fraction faster, matter would have spread too thinly, preventing galaxies and stars from forming. A fraction slower, and the universe would have collapsed back in on itself. Yet here we are, in a universe that expanded just right. Consider also the cosmological constant, a value that describes the energy density of the vacuum of space. This number is so finely tuned that altering it by even a smidgen in either direction would make life impossible. A larger value would cause the universe to expand too rapidly for structures like galaxies to form. A smaller value would lead to a universe that collapses in on itself. Let's not forget the nuclear strong force, which binds together the protons and neutrons within an atom's nucleus. A stronger force would mean no hydrogen, an element vital for life. A weaker force would prevent the formation of heavy elements, again making life untenable. These are just a handful of the finely tuned constants that govern our universe. Each one of them, and many others, need to be just so for life to exist. To use a metaphor, the universe is like a grand piano, and life is the music it produces. If even a single string were out of tune, the music would be discordant. Some might argue that this precision is mere coincidence, a product of chance. But the odds against such a cosmic jackpot are astronomically high. The more we delve into the intricacies of the cosmos, the more we realize that the universe isn't just finely tuned, it is exquisitely, perfectly balanced. The precision we see in the universe, therefore, isn't a mere curiosity. It's not just a testament to the laws of physics, it's a fundamental requirement for life. Every star twinkling in the night sky, every blade of grass beneath your feet, every breath you take, is a testament to this extraordinary precision. The universe's precision, thus, isn't just an aesthetic phenomenon, it's a life-sustaining one. The mind-boggling precision and the awe-inspiring, life-sustaining nature of the universe, what do they suggest? After delving deep into these captivating questions, we've found that the answers unmistakably point towards a deliberate, purposeful arrangement. This is the heartbeat of intelligent design. The universe's astounding precision and its remarkable ability to support life aren't just mere coincidences. No, they paint a picture of thoughtful and deliberate construction that's too striking to ignore. The precise universe invites us all to delve deeper, comprehend and acknowledge the undeniable truth of intelligent design.